Now he's on one, next foul he's on for McDonald's there, well, got 2 goals from him. He's on the field there. Oh, Wexford Street, and he's been down the creamy area there. He knows now 2 goals for Offaly, 1 for Leeds. The Offaly men in their own home patch, looking for a victory today. Leeds should be ahead of yesterday winning the overall title, but the Offaly men had a good sleep, did a good drink last night and took them on their back, fresh and ready for action today. Or we could have a pile up here the far side. Leeds are playing keep ball here, looking at pushed by Andrew O'Connor, the man from Durham. Here Pro Festival was only 8 months ago in Durham. He was in it. He was at Sally to tell me he was dressed up with the scarecrow. He's gone through and he dared the equaliser there. It's over there. It's super goal by him. And you see him at the...
Yes, you thought it was over. I thought it was over. My channel's back. And on top of that, what was that jumping noise? Full of trouble. Wait now, and I'll get it for you. Or I'll get her for you. Yes, double the trouble. Kit Kat. No, you don't want to be a YouTuber. But you're on one of the best YouTubers in the world's channel. How do you feel? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you? Look at the camera. What do you say? Shy. Anyway, where am I? The office. That's not the only laptop. There's another one. Lenovo Yoga 500. Yeah. Oh. And the Ploughing Championships, I know, that was a good video. Check out the Ploughing Championships video. I might leave something here or else here or somewhere there for you to check that out. But yes, the tractor football, crazy. Oh, I mean ham sandwich horse, that video. Anyway, that's it. Bye. Please do like and subscribe.